Generative Artificial Intelligence or AI has emerged as a transformative force in the realm of content creation, revolutionizing the way we generate, manipulate, and interact with digital content. With advancements in machine learning algorithms and computational power, generative models such as DALL-E 2 and Midjourney have gained prominence for their ability to generate realistic images and creative text formats. In this comprehensive exploration, we delve into the workings of generative AI, its capabilities, potential impact on content creation, design, and various industries, and critically evaluate whether it poses a threat or serves as a powerful tool for content creators. So if you are ready, let's start today's video. Let's understand generative AI. Generative AI, a subset of artificial intelligence, encompasses a diverse array of algorithms and techniques aimed at creating new data samples from existing datasets. At the heart of generative models lie neural networks, which learn to understand the underlying patterns and structures within the data they are trained on, and subsequently generate novel content based on this understanding. The fundamental architecture of generative AI typically involves two main components. 1. Generator. The generator component of generative models is responsible for creating new data samples. It takes random noise or input data as input and transforms it into output data samples that resemble the training data. This process often involves complex transformations and optimizations, facilitated by deep neural networks. 2. Discriminator. The discriminator component acts as a critic, distinguishing between real data samples from the training set and those generated by the generator. It learns to differentiate between authentic data and generated data through an adversarial training process. The interplay between the generator and discriminator leads to an adversarial training regime known as generative adversarial networks, GANs. In this framework, the generator aims to produce data samples that are indistinguishable from real data, while the discriminator strives to accurately classify whether the data it receives is real or generated. Through iterative training, both components improve, resulting in the generation of increasingly high-quality and realistic content. Capabilities of generative AI. Generative AI has demonstrated remarkable capabilities across various domains, including 1. Image generation. Leading models such as DALL-E 2 have showcased the ability to generate highly realistic images based on textual descriptions. These models can understand nuanced semantic relationships and translate textual prompts into visually coherent images, opening up new possibilities for creative expression and visual storytelling. 2. Text generation. Models like GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, have garnered attention for their proficiency in generating coherent and contextually relevant text based on prompts or input. These models excel in tasks such as language translation, text summarization, and creative writing, demonstrating a deep understanding of linguistic structures and semantics. 3. Design assistance. Generative AI has emerged as a valuable tool for designers, aiding in the generation of various design options based on input criteria. From architectural designs to graphic illustrations, generative models can assist designers in exploring diverse creative possibilities and streamlining the design process. 4. Art and creativity. Generative AI has sparked a renaissance in digital art and creativity, enabling artists to harness the power of algorithms to create immersive artworks, music compositions, and literary works. These models serve as collaborators and co-creators, augmenting the creative process and pushing the boundaries of artistic expression. Potential impact on content creation, design, and industries. The widespread adoption of generative AI is poised to have a transformative impact across multiple domains, including content creation, design, and various industries. 1. Efficiency and automation. Generative AI can automate repetitive tasks in content creation, such as generating product descriptions, creating visual assets for marketing campaigns, and designing user interfaces. By leveraging machine learning algorithms, organizations can streamline production workflows, reduce manual effort, and accelerate time to market for new products and services. 2. Personalization and customization. Generative models enable personalized content creation tailored to individual preferences and demographics. From personalized recommendations to customized user experiences, organizations can leverage generative AI to enhance engagement, foster brand loyalty, and drive revenue growth. 3. Innovation and creativity. Generative AI fuels innovation by facilitating the exploration of novel creative concepts and ideas. Content creators, designers, and innovators can leverage generative models to experiment with unconventional designs, iterate rapidly, and push the boundaries of creativity in their respective fields. 4. Cost reduction and resource optimization. By automating content creation processes, generative AI can significantly reduce production costs and resource expenditures. Organizations can allocate resources more efficiently, optimize supply chains, and maximize operational efficiency, leading to cost savings and competitive advantages in the marketplace. 5. Cross-industry applications. The impact of generative AI extends beyond traditional creative industries to encompass a wide range of sectors, including healthcare, finance, manufacturing, and entertainment. From drug discovery to financial modeling, generative models offer innovative solutions to complex challenges, driving advancements and catalyzing digital transformation across industries. Now you may think that, is generative AI a threat or a tool for content creators? The question of whether generative AI poses a threat or serves as a tool for content creators hinges on several factors. 1. Job displacement versus augmentation. While there are concerns about job displacement due to automation enabled by generative AI, it is essential to recognize that these technologies can also augment human creativity and productivity. Rather than replacing human workers, generative AI can empower content creators to focus on higher-level tasks that require human ingenuity and expertise. 2. Ethical considerations. The ethical implications of generative AI, particularly regarding the generation of fake content, misinformation, and biased outputs, necessitate careful consideration and regulatory oversight. Content creators and organizations must adhere to ethical guidelines and best practices to ensure responsible use of generative technologies and mitigate potential harm. 3. Collaborative co-creation. Generative AI has the potential to foster collaborative co-creation between humans and machines, enabling synergistic partnerships and creative collaborations. By leveraging the strengths of both humans and AI, content creators can harness the collective intelligence and creativity of diverse teams to produce innovative and impactful content. 4. Education and skill development. As generative AI becomes increasingly prevalent in content creation workflows, there is a growing need for education and skill development initiatives to equip content creators with the requisite knowledge and expertise. Training programs, workshops, and online resources can empower individuals to harness the power of generative technologies effectively and responsibly. Conclusion. In conclusion, generative AI represents a paradigm shift in content creation, offering unprecedented opportunities for innovation, creativity, and efficiency. While it presents challenges and ethical considerations, when used responsibly and ethically, generative AI can serve as a powerful tool for content creators, enabling them to unlock new creative possibilities, enhance productivity, and drive positive societal impact. As we navigate the evolving landscape of AI-driven content creation, it is imperative to adopt a collaborative and inclusive approach that prioritizes human values, creativity, and ethical principles. That's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell for more content, so you don't miss any upcoming video. And, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring and keep coding. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.